Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some vegetable fried rice. Yes, so in my bowl right here I've got at least 2.5 cup of basmati cooked rice. So this is what it look like. It was in my fridge. I cooked it at least 2 days ago. Okay, and I'm also gonna add some mixed vegetable. This is at least 1.5 cup. Okay, I'm also gonna add 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1 onions, and I chop it up finely. Okay, and some spring onions. So this is the amount that I'm gonna use, not a lot. Okay, these are all of my seasoning: 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and half teaspoon of salt. Okay, so here I have a pot on the stove, guys, and to my pot I add at least 4 spoonful of vegetable oil. So now I'm gonna add my onions, my garlic, and my spring onions, and I'm just gonna allow it to saute just for a couple of seconds. Just gonna mix it. So just after a couple of seconds, guys, that's what it look like, because you don't want it to burn. So now I'm gonna add all my mixed vegetable. And with my seasoning, just gonna add a bit of my seasoning. Then I'm just gonna take my spoon and just stir it all in. So guys, just after it saute for at least 2 to 3 minutes, now I'm gonna add my rice. So guys, you just want to mix it all in so everything will all combine. I'm telling you, it's looking absolutely delicious already. Yum, yum, yum. So I'm just gonna add at least 2 spoons of dark soya sauce. And when you add it, guys, you just want to mix it so everything will all blend. And if you want your vegetable fried rice to be more darker, you can always add some more, okay? I want my vegetable fried rice to be a bit more darker, so I'm adding some more dark soya sauce, at least 2 teaspoons. This is totally optional, but I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to my vegetable fried rice, and this is just gonna make it taste Asian, you know, like Chinese. Yes, so that's the reason why. But it is totally optional, and I'm gonna also add some teriyaki sauce to it, at least 1 spoon. And as you can see, I'm adding my remaining seasoning that's left. Yes. And guys, I also add 1 spoonful of brown sugar. Okay, if you don't have brown sugar, you can always use granulated sugar, and you just want to stir it so all that flavor will all combine. And I'm telling you, my fried rice look absolutely delicious. Yum, 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 yum. I'm just gonna allow it to fry for at least 5 minutes, but make sure you keep stirring it so it doesn't stick. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna finish it off with some green onions, okay? And I'm telling you guys, this recipe is a must try. Please share it to your families, to your friends, and all over on your social media. I will really, really appreciate it. Please guys, give me a big thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more delicious videos like these, and hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. So guys, I'm gonna serve my vegetable fried rice with some barbecued chicken. The video is gonna be up soon, so stay tuned. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, love ya.